Coming up on 5 minutes after the hour, there could be a third coronavirus vaccine available in Virginia as soon as next week. An FDA meeting that kicks off later today will talk about the final steps for approving the vaccine that was developed by Johnson & Johnson.
CBS 6's Shannon Lilly is live to tell us about the vaccine, the approval process happening over the weekend, and what the governor is saying about it. Shannon.
Well, Reba, Rob, the Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine is really a game changer in terms of how quickly you can be fully vaccinated. In fact, this long-awaited shot would become one of 3 vaccine options, but unlike the other 2, it only requires 1 dose. Now, the process to move forward with the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is nearly complete, but there are still a few more steps that need to be taken. This morning, vaccine experts and other medical professionals that make up an advisory committee will vote on whether to recommend FDA emergency use authorization of the shot. The FDA will then take that vote into consideration in deciding whether to move forward with the vaccine. Then on Sunday, a second advisory group will look at the same data, and the CDC will use their recommendation to decide whether the vaccine has their okay. This comes after the FDA has already reviewed clinical testing data and say it shows the J&J vaccine is safe and effective. They say overall the vaccine is about 66% effective at preventing moderate to severe COVID and about 85% effective against the most serious illness. In a press conference earlier this week, Governor Northam says we could see doses come to our state as early as next week.
That is great news because that will allow us to vaccinate more people and get closer to, as you all have heard us talk about before, herd immunity.
Yeah, Northam says once approved, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine could equate to 50,000 extra doses in our state per week. Reba, Rob?
And just like the governor says, that is great news. Shannon Lilly reporting live for us.